Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can clone apps on OPPO A60. In order to duplicate an app, all you need to do is go to the settings. In the settings, you need to scroll down to find apps and then go there. And over here we have App Cloner. Tap on this option. Over here you will find all apps that can be cloned. And you can also choose apps that can be cloned in order to see the list of all apps that can be duplicated. Over here, let's go back from the Play Store. Now, in order to clone the app, you need to select one of these that you have. So let's say I'm going to choose Facebook, and then we have Create App Clone. So tap on the slider, and after a few seconds, the cloned app should be added. We can also change the name of the app clone, because by default it is the same name, but with clone at the end. And we can also choose what should happen when we use quick functions. So first, let me show you how it looks like. So the cloned app has this icon added in the bottom right corner of the app icon, and as you can see, it also has the name as it was mentioned, so Facebook and clone in the bracket. But if we change the name, let's say we're gonna name it Facebook 2, then save, then we will rename the app that is cloned. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.